Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of jump button on the application of Discord. You click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. So we're not here. You will click just on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Discord and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. See you next time.